if you are using Excel, then you have probably seen these hyperlinks. For me, they are annoying because if I click on any of the hyperlinks, it will directly open a website rather than opening the editing mode. Similar is the case with my website. If I open, it will open directly rather than just allowing me to edit. By the way, this is my website. Here you can refer to the tech content and articles. So you have an Excel sheet and lots of hyperlinks. You want to remove them directly, all at once. So what can you do? The first way is you can edit this one. Just use the arrow keys and then enter the editing mode with function F2. So to remove all these hyperlinks, press Command A or Control A to select all of them. Then go to Tools, Macros, and Visual Basic Editor. It will open an editor. Here you need to go to this option that is called Insert Module. In this section, you need to paste a code, and here you see it's written declaration, right? Here you paste this code. This code will be in the description as well. Now press Command S or Control S to save. You can save it with any name. Now you can come out of this place. After that, you just go to Tools, Macros, and this time select Macros. Here you will see an option, Remove All Hyperlinks. Before, this option was not there. Now you simply need to press Run. You see here, Run. Boom. All the hyperlinks are gone. There is no hyperlink anymore. Subscribe for more content. I'll see you in the next one.